Today I'll show how to download Windows 10 with the USB. First, go to the link in the description and download the download tool from Windows. Run the just downloaded file and follow the steps. First you have to agree a license term. Then you need to create a new installation media. Select your language and go to the next step. We need to use the USB flash drive. And when you go next, you can see all the removable devices. Use the one you want to use for this installation. Wait until the download is completed. After the download is completed, you can now insert your USB into your new device. When you boot up your PC for the first time, you will see this screen. Now you can start the installation. After the installation is done, you can choose to insert a product key or go on without a product key, pressing I don't have a product key. Then you want to use the custom install to download Windows. Then you need to insert some user settings, just follow the steps. After the settings are complete, the installation will start, and after the installation, Windows is good to go. Enjoy.